So today we are in an enclosed room where we have limited resources. So we'll make a beautiful dal chikidi, not khichdi, chikidi. So I've got rice. I've got inside dal around that much, okay, at the bottom, okay, that much. And then we will drop some beautiful green chili, hey, nice green chili. It's very spicy, hey, and we'll put a little bit of tomato, okay. This is how we make the beautiful dal chikidi, okay. Then we will squeeze a nice lemon, okay, little lemony, okay, all over the rice, okay. It can be plain rice or flavored rice. Then let's enjoy the beautiful dal chikidi. Cheers, guys. Enjoy this fast, easy dal chikidi. Okay, easy to make. Just you need rice, and then you need dal, and then you need lime, and then the beautiful green chili. So let me just have a taste of this beautiful dal chikidi. Oh my God, looks delicious, hey? Mmm, delicious, guys. Mm. Oh, tasty. You can add some sauteed onion. It will give you some additional flavor. Beautiful dal chikdi, tasty and delicious. Make sure your rice is basmati. Mmm, tasty. Cheers, guys. Enjoy this beautiful dal chikdi.